Remember पहले आज से about 10-15 years पहले तक everything was fine, okay? No one told us what to eat, no one told us what to wear, no one told us how many steps to take, no one told us कि कैसे अच्छी नींद आएगी, no one told us how much water to drink. किसी ने नहीं बताया हमें how to wash our hair, how many skincare products do we need in a day. किसी ने कुछ नहीं बताया. We ate our food normally, we bathed and we lived. Our skin was fine, our body was fine, and our mind was also okay. Not perfect, but functional, normal. And you know, that's what's important, because perfection was never the goal, functionality was. जब तक body काम कर रही है, skin ठीक दिख रही है, you're able to move in life, you're able to move towards your goal in life. That's what's important. Functionality over perfection. And ये perfection के चक्कर में हमने हमारी life की बैंड बजा दी. Back then, our skin wasn't corrupted, our body wasn't confused, our mind wasn't constantly being told that it was failing. And even when, you know, we abused our body a little bit, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ उल्टा सीधा खाकर, कुछ उल्टा सीधा लगाकर या कुछ उल्टा सीधा सोचकर, you know, sometimes we would miss our sleep, we would eat badly, we sometimes overdid things, right? Even then we did some things which were drastically wrong. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि we were perfect, but the body managed. How did the body manage then? Because human body is not fragile, okay? It is one of the smartest machines on this planet. It is a very, very smart system. Our body knows its job. हर चीज़ आपको बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Your skin is the largest organ. It knows how to protect itself. It's the first line of defense. Similarly, your body, your internal organs, they're all interconnected. They all know how to manage, okay? So थोड़ा बहुत आप उल्टा सीधा करोगे, everything's going to be okay, and that is how it was आज से 10-15 साल पहले. But then what happened? Then something changed. We were flooded with information, okay? Suddenly there was gyan everywhere about everything. Food for gut, food for skin, food for hair, supplements for inflammation, supplements for hormones, supplements for focus. I think there'll be supplements for breathing also in some time. I'm telling you, the day is not far. Skincare, it exploded. Actives, layers, routines, fixes, and slowly, without realizing it, we crossed a line. We really did cross a line. We stopped supporting the body. We started overriding it. We somehow have started to believe that we know better. हमें सब आता है, हमें सब पता है. We know what's better for our body. We are going to decide what way our body will function. And that's the biggest mistake. Biology, just let it be, do not interfere, just do the basic things and the body functions just. But हमारी आदत है ना, we think we are smarter than everybody else, everything else, and that's where things really went haywire. And so what happened? Now the situation is such that nothing seems to work, okay? Today nothing is working. You change your diet a little. थोड़ा सा आपने ज़्यादा मीठा खा लिया, थोड़ा सा कोई दूध पी लिया, थोड़ा सा घी ज़्यादा खा लिया. Like that, your skin will worsen. You add a skincare, your skin reacts. You change your diet, your skin worsens. You stop everything, for example, okay? Still nothing improves. People tell this to me, you know, all the time that, you know, I've tried everything and nothing's working. And that sentence, that is where the clue lies. Because, you know, systems, they don't fail when nothing is done, okay? आप fail इसलिए नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो आप, because you know you finally you've realized that okay, you know, our body knows its job. They fail when they are overmanaged. Micromanagement ना हमेशा बुरी होती है, and that's what we are doing with our bodies also. We are micromanaging our bodies. Finally now the body is like, fine, since you know so much, आप ही खुद कर लो. The skin's also like, okay, you have decided to take matters in your own hands, so now do it. And clearly, we are not smarter than biology. We are not able to do it, and that's why nothing is working. Now, here's the most important part that most conversations miss, almost always. Your skin is not a surface. Your skin is not a canvas. I know. सबसे popular आजकल एक term use होती है, you know, the sentence, your skin is your canvas. No, your skin is not a canvas. Your skin is a living tissue. It responds to stress and it adapts because the skin knows its job. It remembers, it has memory, okay? And then when you constantly exfoliate, constantly stimulate, constantly correct, skin doesn't heal faster because it remembers, it knows its job. And now the signal that you're sending to your skin is that it is being attacked thanks to all the exfoliation, constant stimulation, constant interference, and the skin goes in सर्वाइवल मोड. ओके, अब स्किन सिर्फ अपने आप को जिंदा रखने की कोशिश कर रही है, और आप जब सिर्फ सर्वाइवल मोड पे चले जाते हो तो कुछ नहीं होता है, आप बस जिंदा रहते हो. एंड दैट्स व्हाट्स हैपनिंग विद योर स्किन. द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट वी ऑफन टेंड टू आइसोलेट साइंस फ्रॉम कॉमन सेंस एंड आवर एनवायरनमेंट, एंड सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली वहीं पे शुरू होती है. एंड नाउ सिंस योर स्किन इज इन सर्वाइवल मोड, survival looks like sensitivity. Survival looks like acne that just won't settle. Survival looks like pigmentation that keeps returning. And this brings me to what I believe is the biggest mistake of medicine 2.0. Modern medicine, it started looking at science through data alone. Okay, isolated data, disconnected variables, one molecule, one pathway, one outcome. But biology does not work in isolation. You cannot separate skin from lifestyle. You cannot separate genetics from environment. You cannot separate science from common sense. Genetics gives you a blueprint, but epigenetic, that's what decides how that blueprint is expressed. Sleep, over intervention, constant correction, they don't show up neatly in databases, okay, in data sets, but they will absolutely show in your body, and they will definitely show up on your skin. And guess what? Tradition, Indian traditional knowledge base understood this intuitively. हमें ये बहुत पहले पता था. Science is now only catching up, and that's actually medicine 3.0, which very few people are aware of. And obviously हमें सब कुछ नहीं पता हो सकता. Like I know about medicine, I know about biology, like very few people know. Similarly, if you are let's say software engineer, मुझे software engineering के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता है, तो मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट करना कि मुझे सॉफ्टवेयर के बारे में भी पता होगा, इट्स आस्किंग फॉर टू मच. मुझसे एक्सपेक्ट करना कि मुझे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के बारे में सब कुछ पता होगा, हाउ इलेक्ट्रिशियंस वर्क, और घर कैसे बनता है, प्लम्बिंग, मुझे नहीं पता. सिमिलरली आपको नहीं पता what the developments are, कैसे medicine 2.0 was actually disastrous, कैसे medicine 3.0 is actually the right way to live. And what is medicine 3.0? Nothing really. It's our Indian traditional knowledge system backed by modern science, backed by data. Okay, and this is the problem these days. Everywhere everybody's like label पड़ेगा India, packaging पड़ेगा India, consumer को educate करो, consumer को सिखाओ. हर चीज़ आपको नहीं पता हो सकती. And you know what? Always remember, half knowledge is dangerous. Okay, you rather not know anything at all, and then look for people you trust, look for organizations you have faith in. For example, Tata. Okay, मतलब टाटा का नाम आते ही एक ट्रस्ट फैक्टर आता है, दैट टाटा है तो अच्छा ही होगा. They are going to be there somewhere in a good way. Siddhantwadi corporation that I keep talking about. Please don't try to know everything, because you cannot know everything ever. And आजकल तो वैसे भी in the social media research भी 2 घंटे में हो जाती है जब वो ChatGPT पढ़ते हैं, and then they feel like, oh, we know so much and now we are ready to tell the people. They know jack shit. Okay, I'm sorry, like please pardon my flowery language, but उन्हें कुछ नहीं पता है. 2 घंटे में अगर रिसर्च हो जाती तो लोग पागल हैं जिनको PhD करने में 4-4, 5-5 साल लग जाते हैं. Think about it, okay? So now, since I've asked you to think about the basics of life, I'm not here to add another rule. We don't need more rules. I'm here to take you back in time, to place to a place where we respected our body's intelligence, where we believed that healing does not come from force, it comes from restraint, it comes from not interfering. If your skin feels it's not broken, it's overwhelmed. Okay, वो बेचारी सांस नहीं ले पा रही है with all the things that you're putting on your skin non-stop thanks to the Korean skincare drama, and उससे पहले था French skincare, और उससे पहले पता नहीं कौन सा British cold cream skincare. वो फिर भी ठीक था, I feel. At least there was just one cold cream. There was this one layer of abuse that you were doing, and skin was managing, because like I said, the body can manage. But now you're overriding it with so much that उसको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. Your body, your skin, your mind is not able to understand कि करना क्या है life में. And overwhelmed systems, they don't need more inputs, because वो already crashed हैं, कुछ काम नहीं करने वाला है. Your overwhelmed skin, it needs space. It needs space to remember what they already know. Your skin already knows how to do its job. I keep repeating this again and again, and somehow it's just never enough. Please remember, you just need to heal, you just need to repair, you just need to stabilize. That's all you need to do. You need to do. Your skin Rest everything else your skin knows.